In a major decision with far-reaching consequences for the future of the state, the Tripura government has set about privatizing services of the government by duly recruited employees and officers to outsource staff to be provided by private agencies who own the tender for this purpose. Where the unemployment rate in the state is abnormally high, such a step of the state BJP government will lead the recruited employees and officers to a serious state of deprivation, as they will have no scope for periodic rise in pay or allowances and also no scope for retirement benefits. Moreover, the posts where incumbents are recruited through exams held by TPSC have been given over to private agencies for recruitment through a no procedure except qualification bar. According to a memorandum circulated by the Director of Employment Services and Manpower Planning on 26th of February 2021, altogether 5 private agencies have been entrusted with the responsibility for supplying manpower to various departments of the state government as per requisition. The memorandum further mentioned that the supply of 1,000 manpower will be given to the agency, namely Visual Securus and Infotech Limited, situated at Ujan Abhaynagar, Agartala. Apart from this, the general office staff like clerks, stenographers, personal assistant, manuscript writers, etc. will also be outsourced. But the most astonishing thing is that posts like ICDS supervisor, labor inspector and librarian, panchayat extension officer, account staff and others generally recruited through the TPSC exam are also being outsourced along with many other important posts with serious government responsibility. According to the circular, the agency charger for supplying the manpower cannot be more than 2% of the monthly remuneration to be paid to the staff. Intriguingly, there is no clarity in clause 6 of the memorandum issued, as it says the requisitioning department have to pay EPF 13% including administrative charges, ESI 3.25% and applicable GST as per direction issued by the concerned agency time to time to empaneled agency. Common people have raised question over the promises made by the BJP government enlisted in the Vision Document 2018, where it promised to give jobs and employment to the youths of the state. Instead of regularization of jobs and providing permanent employment opportunities to the unemployed youths, the BJP government has dragged the future of the youths into danger. Bureau Report, Halabol.